On August 25, we commemorate Rohingya Genocide Remembrance Day.
A date that marks
the beginning once of the darkest chapter in recent Myanmar history. The mass displacement, loss of life, and suffering endured by the Rohingya community must never be forgotten. We respectfully urge the government of Myanmar to take meaningful steps towards truth, accountability, and reconciliation. Recognize past atrocities and necessary foundation for a peaceful and united Myanmar. A future based on inclusion, equal rights, and justice is possible, but only if the dignity of every community, including Rohingya community. We stand ready to support Myanmar and efforts that led to genuine peace and healing. In the last of the video, I want to say to the government of Myanmar and people of Rakhine, please stop killing our innocent Rohingya, especially this message to the Rakhine people. Stop killing our brother and sister. Stop selling our homelands. Stop destroying religion. Stop making nonsense action in Arkhane State. It's not only yours, but also ours. Please be careful. I again wanna say you, please stop killing our people. Please stop burning our village. And I want to request to the international community, please speak with us. Speak with not empty hearts. We want justice, we want justice, we want justice, and especially a message to the leader of Myanmar. Your power carries the responsibility to protect all your people. History has shown us the cost of silence. Let Myanmar show a different path, one of law. Thank you, government of Myanmar and international community. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.